Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Scotiabank account username. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Manage My Accounts at the upper right side of this page. Click on Manage My Accounts. Under Manage My Accounts, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Security and Passwords. On the left side menu of this page, you will see tab for Create/Change Username. Click on Create/Change Username. And now you will see section from which you could change your username. On the field provided, remove your current username. Next, enter the new username you wish to use. Lastly, click on Confirm. That's how you change your Scotiabank account username. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.